It's almost impossible to spend time in Orange County without wanting to be outdoors. But that's only natural, because there's so much here to see and do. Hard to believe you're just off Franklin Street in Chapel Hill when you walk through Coker Arboretum on the UNC campus. Or take the kids to the North Carolina Botanical Garden, not far away. Walking through these grounds is like walking across the entire state. There's that much variety of plant life. Just up the road, at Hillsboro, is the view from Occoneechee Mountain, or a chance to wade in the Eno River. If you'd rather stay dry, there's always the Riverwalk. It's a new addition to North Carolina's 1,000-mile Mountains to the Sea Trail. This is Anderson Community Park in Carrboro. It's a beauty, but it's far from unique. Orange County has 40 others like this one, and there's something fun to do at all of them. So what are you waiting for? Go outside and enjoy Orange County. It's only natural that you should.